So, Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Kainat Baloch, and in this video I'll tell you that how to improve writing skills. So, if you want to be impeccable writer, if you want to improve the writing skills, and if you want to bring new changes in your writing, then you should be reader first. As we ever had got, and we are getting requirements for speaking of listening, as it is we need to be a reader for writing. Reading is something which will help you in every step of your writing. If you read, you will have knowledge about basic grammar, you will feel, and you will also read well written books, incidents of past or paragraphs, topics or lesson. You will also be capable to focus on how writers is forming sentences and how they are using vocabulary, how they are sharing ideas with each other. Okay, so that's why reading is must for writing. And number second is write every day. If you want to be the habitual of writing, then you should write every day. Without writing, you are not going to know that what writing is actually. How will we bring other changes in writing? So that's why, just because of checking your level, you should ever write, and you should write one page every day in the day. In just single day, you can write a single page. It will help you because you have started that, right? Initially it could be difficult for you, not just writing. Every work of the world would be difficult for you in starting, but then it would be very much easy for you. And don't worry about being perfect, just focus on getting your ideas out. Okay, and then is learn basic grammar. You should be familiar with very basic grammar, because basic grammar will help you in your writing. If you will make any kind of single mistake of grammar when you will write, then you will observe that, okay, and you will not feel better, okay, and you will see that why I have not corrected this then. So that's why having a knowledge of basic grammar is, I think, mandatory. It's important. And if you want to learn that, then it will not take your time. It just will take your 5 minutes of day. And I don't think if you are spending your 5 minutes of day with anything good, then this is called wastage of time. No, this is called the method of spending your time in such a great works, right? So that's why you should be familiar with basic grammar if you want to be a good writer. Okay, and then is practice rewriting and editing. If you want to write, you should ever take out the topic from books or from any website, and then try to translate that in your own words. I mean, after reading that, after getting that properly, entirely, completely, you should write that in your own words. What will happen if you will write that in your own words? You will be capable to compare those both versions with each other, and you will be familiar with the mistakes easily. So that's why it's very important, and it's amazing and helpful tip for you. If you want to improve your writing, you should also be familiar with this tip. Okay, and number fifth is ask for honest feedback. Ask for honest feedback means, if you want to improve your writing, you should share that with someone else. Like, that could be your teacher, that could be your friend, but you should share that with someone, or even here, just because of getting sincere and honest feedback. Whenever you will hear something good about yourself, something good about your talent, you will feel better, and you will try your best. Of course, you will definitely try your best to be amazing and incredible person in that skill. Okay, so like this video if it helped you, and subscribe it for more easy English tips and lessons. Thank you.